So, first step is to obviously create a site. Hopefully if you've got a site, it can be built on anything. Is to go to Typeform and create a Typeform. So this is going to redirect anyone who wants to download your app to a Typeform. Start from scratch. Doesn't have to be complicated. We only need one detail really, but we're just going to take a name. It's going to take a name and a phone number. The first question, what is your name? Second question, a phone number. Make sure it's required. Make sure you set your phone number to the right country. And that is it. What is your number? Send you a download link. Okay. Make sure up in the top right hand corner it goes to saved. And that's it. Once you have that, go to share. And this will be the link that we're going to want to put in our call to action on our website, wherever we're going to have our users first visit.